Getting a mid-season irrigation evaluation can offer several benefits for your landscape and irrigation system. Here are a few reasons why it's important. Improved efficiency. A mid-season evaluation allows you to assess the efficiency of your irrigation system. By identifying any leaks, clogs, or inefficiencies, you can make adjustments to ensure your system is delivering water evenly and effectively. Water conservation. An evaluation helps you determine if your irrigation system is using water efficiently. By making necessary adjustments, such as fixing leaks or adjusting watering schedules, you can reduce water waste and conserve this valuable resource. Cost savings. Identifying and fixing issues during a mid-season evaluation can help prevent costly repairs in the future. By addressing problems early on, you can avoid major breakdowns and minimize water-related expenses. Healthier landscape. Proper irrigation is crucial for maintaining a healthy landscape. Through an evaluation, you can ensure that your plants, grass, and trees are receiving the optimal amount of water they need to thrive without overwatering or underwatering. Don't let your lawn suffer from inadequate watering. Trust the professionals at Paramount Lawn and Landscape. Our evaluation process is second to none. Give us a call today, and our team of experts will assess your current system to identify any inefficiencies or areas for improvement. We'll work with you to fine-tune your irrigation setup, ensuring it performs at the optimal level.